How to fix rough idle on a Camry. A rough idle in a Toyota Camry can be caused by various factors. Here are some steps you can follow to diagnose and potentially fix the issue. 1. Check for engine trouble codes. Use an OBD2 scanner to check if there are any stored trouble codes in the engine control unit, ECU. These codes can provide valuable information about the specific problem causing the rough idle. If you find any codes, research them or seek professional assistance to determine the appropriate action. 2. Inspect the air intake system. A common cause of rough idling is a dirty or clogged air filter. Remove the air filter and inspect its condition. If it appears dirty or clogged, replace it with a new one. Additionally, check the air intake hoses for any cracks, leaks, or loose connections. Ensure that all connections are secure and the hoses are in good condition. 3. Clean the throttle body. The throttle body can accumulate carbon deposits over time, leading to an uneven air-fuel mixture and rough idling. Remove the intake hose attached to the throttle body and use a throttle body cleaner to clean the inside of the throttle body thoroughly. Be careful not to damage any sensors or delicate components while cleaning. 4. Check the spark plugs. Worn or faulty spark plugs can cause misfires and rough idling. Remove the spark plugs and inspect their condition. If they appear worn, corroded, or covered in deposits, replace them with new ones. Ensure that the spark plug gaps are correctly set according to the manufacturer's specifications. 5. Inspect the ignition system. Faulty ignition components, such as ignition coils or ignition wires, can contribute to rough idling. Inspect the ignition coils for any signs of damage or corrosion. If necessary, replace any faulty coils. Similarly, check the ignition wires for wear, cracks, or damage. Replace them if needed. 6. Clean the fuel injectors. Dirty or clogged fuel injectors can disrupt the fuel delivery and cause rough idling. You can use a fuel injector cleaner additive or have the injectors professionally cleaned. Follow the instructions provided with the cleaner or seek assistance from an automotive service center. 7. Check the fuel system. Ensure that the fuel system is in good working order. Check the fuel filter for clogs and replace it if necessary. Inspect the fuel lines for any leaks, cracks, or loose connections. If you suspect a fuel delivery problem, it's advisable to seek professional help.